So friends, let us continue exercise 14.1, question number 12. In this question, the experiment is given like this. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will point at 8, Roman 2, an odd number, third a number greater than 2, and fourth one is a number less than 9. Very simple question. As there are 8 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so total possible outcomes are 8. Now there are 3 events. First event is the pointer will point at 8, so let A is the event that the pointer will point at 8. 4 events आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये. So therefore favorable outcomes is equals to 1, right? Once the formula, that is probability is equals to total favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. For this event, favorable outcomes are 1, so 1, and possible outcomes are 8. So probability of event A, that is the pointer will point at 8, will be 1 upon 8. Sub question 2, that the pointer will point at odd number, so let the B is the event. So second sub question, so write letter, another letter, capital letter for denoting the event. So let B is the event that the pointer will point at odd numbers. So in this game the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5 and 7. So favorable outcomes 4, and the probability is 4 upon 8, that is we can reduce it 1 upon 2. Event C, a number greater than 2. So numbers greater than 2 are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 outcomes. Favorable outcomes are 6. So probability of event C is 6 upon 8. We can reduce, we can divide it numerator and denominator by 2. 2 3 is 6 and 2 4 is 8. So final answer is 3 upon 4. Now last event, event D, is number less than 9. So all numbers 1 to 8, though all numbers are less than 9. So favorable outcomes are 8. So probability of event C is 8 upon 8, that is 1. So this event is sure event because the probability of this event is 1. So this is how we have finished question number 12. So now we will solve question number 13. In question number 13, the random experiment is throwing a die. A die is thrown once and a die is thrown twice, or one die is thrown twice, or 2 dice are thrown once. So regarding the die, there are 2 experiments. So in this question, the experiment is one die, only one die is thrown. See, there are 6 faces for any die. We will number it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So when one die is thrown, the possible outcomes are 6. And then the event, that is sub questions. So what is the sub question? Find the probability of getting first a prime number, second a number lying between 2 and 6, and third an odd number. So we will write, when a die is thrown, a die is thrown. So therefore possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total possible outcomes is equals to 6. Therefore total possible outcomes is equals to 6. Now the Roman one is event A, short मध्ये लिहिलं तरी चालेल. Event A dash or double dot. What is the event? Getting a prime number. Getting a prime number. So from 1 to 6, how many prime numbers are there? 1 is neither prime nor composite. So here 2 is prime, 3 is prime and 5 prime. So prime numbers two, 3 and 5. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So therefore total favorable outcomes is equals to 3. Write the formula. I will not write here. So you have to write once in every question. Now probability of event A is equals to how many favorable outcomes? 3. And how many total outcome? Possible outcome? 6. So probability is 1 upon 2. Second, event B, a number lying between 2 and 6. A number lying between 2 and 6. See, numbers between and numbers from. Between आणि from मध्ये फरक आहे. जर from 2 to 6 म्हणलं असतं तर आपण 2 आणि 6 पण इन्क्लूड केले असते. But they have mentioned here the numbers between 2 and 6. So don't consider 2 and don't consider 6. That is, the numbers are which numbers? 3, 4 and 5. Therefore again favorable outcomes total favorable outcomes is equals to 3. So P of B is equals to again 3 upon 6. It is again 1 upon 2. So highlight the answer. Now sub question 3, event C. What is event C? An odd number. कौन है तो odd numbers? That is 1, 3 and 5. So again favorable outcomes, total favorable outcomes is equals to 3 upon 6. Again, sorry, favorable outcomes 3. So probability of event C is equals to again 3 upon 6, which is equals to 1 upon 2. So here ends question number 13. Question number 14 and question number 15 are related to pack of 52 cards. Playing cards जे असतात त्याच्याबद्दल आहे. So those two questions we will solve in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.